So Alex is a soccer player, and how long have you played soccer for?
9.5 years.
9.5 years. And so soccer players, usually they'll have, obviously, knee issues. Which knee is bothering you?
My right knee.
Yeah, you can kind of see the damage right there.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to adjust your knees today. We're going to adjust your hips. Usually for soccer players, we want to check their lower back, because if their sacroiliac joints are out of alignment, that can affect their knees. So we're going to do some sacroiliac joint adjustment, knees. Obviously with soccer players, flexibility, lots of stretching.
Yes.
And icing. So two, with their diet, they should really be on an anti-inflammatory food diet, which I'll put in this video. Just click below. The link will go to our website, which has the anti-inflammatory foods, which are really good for athletes because they want to heal up faster. If they're eating hot dogs and chili and do a Diet Pepsi, that doesn't help. So we're gonna get her adjusted. So let's have you lay face down this table, and let's get you tuned up. Okay, so excellent. So we're gonna adjust Alex's middle back because she has a lot of tension in this area. And you know, kids sometimes, or I should say young adults, right? Young adults. Breath in here, all the way out, relax. Good. Very well. You did awesome. Breath in and out, chin up. Good. Okay, that's really going to help. All right, so let's lift this up. So here we go. We're going to bring this here. This goes here. Good. Now we're going to get the SI joints. Breath in and out. Good. Good. Let's go on the other side. Awesome. And here and here. This one we're going to go up a little bit lower, actually, down to this lower portion of the sacrum. Good. Okay, awesome. Let's get you on your back. All right. All right. Okay, so let me check your neck. Because last time your atlas, way up top, was bothering, but see, it feels even like C5 down the middle. Are you having any tension headaches at all?
Yes, all the time.
Okay. All right. Relax. Good. Good. Right here. Relax. Good.
Holy cow.
That moved awesome. That really moved. Okay, so let's get the knees and the hips. Relax. Wow. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, that moved. Good. Let's do this side. Excellent. Okay, and the ankle. Good. So there's definitely some swelling here. So icing is your friend. Epsom salt baths, stretching. It's hard because you just can't stop.
Nope.
So Alex, when you're getting adjusted, what would you say? Do you feel looser afterwards? What do you feel after you're adjusted? Do you feel less pain?
Absolutely. I feel a relief of pressure that's built up in my spine and all the way down throughout my body, and I'm able to be as loose and move as freely as I want after I'm adjusted.
And it helps with the soccer, I'm sure, right?
Yes.
Flexibility and pain comes way down. You'll let it part out. Okay, so, but seriously, your knee, it's a little swollen.